for your very kind words. All right. Well, we would like to thank our travel partner. We are happy to announce that Rajputana Cabs joined us as our valued travel partner during this event, that is during Biz Expo and Summit 2024. Rajputana Cabs has been a leading provider of top quality taxi services in Jaipur and across Rajasthan. So thank you Rajputana Cabs once again. Alright, one important announcement for the surprise gifts. If you want to win the surprise gift after the award ceremony, all you have to do is just drop your names on a chit in the drop box, which is right there at the registration desk. You all can actually give your names on a chit to our volunteers too. They can do it on their own. It's now time to have the most awaited panel discussion, ladies and gentlemen. And our panel discussion is on the subject of the art of strategic planning, setting goals and driving growth. So आज का हमारा जो panel discussion है, उसके panelist and हमारे बहुत ही special moderator and speaker को हम stage पर invite करना चाहेंगे. Well, we are very much delighted to have here with us our honorable moderator and speaker, Mr. Paresh Gupta, who is the founder and CEO of GCEC. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for him. Can you please increase the volume of the mic, please? Well, we would love to tell you all that Mr. Paresh Gupta is 8 times TEDx speaker, founder and CEO of GCEC Global Foundation, CUET Pro, brand ambassador of Rajasthan Government Youth and Sports Activities, and chairman of ASSOCHAM Startup Council, Rajasthan. परेश जी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Come on everyone.
बस एंड में क्या मिलने वाला है? What is the end return in terms of numbers and money? And that is exactly what strategy should be. So without any further ado, I want to start talking to each of my panelists. And just by the face of it, I don't want to get into everybody's ages, but I think Ayush, you are the youngest. So I want to start with Ayush. And I want to start with, give a quick brief, like 30-second pitch about your business. And then tell me, what was your strategic thought कि यही business क्यों करना है, कैसे शुरू करना है, what was the thought process?
So मैं एक data analyst हूँ, and जब मैं 18 साल का था, 19 साल का था, मैंने पापा के data को Indian market से map किया. और जब मैंने Indian market से map किया, मैंने realize किया कि India legit एक सोने की चिड़िया है, if we are able to tap it correctly.
Okay.
इंडिया में इतना पैसा है, अपन को ना एक्सपोर्ट करने की ज़रूरत है, अपन को ना USD में खेलने की ज़रूरत है, जैसा मनोज सर ने कहा. एंड आई थिंक स्केलेबिलिटी, क्यों आप स्केल कर सकते हो, क्या आपका प्रोडक्ट का पोटेंशियल सिर्फ 1 करोड़ तक पहुंचने का है, 1 करोड़ लोगों तक पहुंचने का है, या 10 करोड़ तक पहुंचने का है, या 100 करोड़ लोगों तक पहुंचने का है. सो आई थिंक वो सब है. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स pricing strategy, your go-to-market strategy, and your revenue.
That same fire inside the framework and systems of your car engine.
Very well.
It is
Very well said.
Fantastic. Yes.
I think both of them have already said it. For me, setting up goals and having systems, ये option नहीं है, ये this or that नहीं है. ये दोनों चीजें simultaneously चलेंगी. They are the wheels of a bike. मतलब इन दोनों को simultaneously ही चलना पड़ेगा if you want to achieve a certain goal with certain people in a certain time frame. So I think everyone has already.
Your last thoughts for the session.
Alright, I only said about the goals and processes. What I would like to talk about again on strategy is a strategy is as good as the leader that is driving it. So for me, leadership and the development of leadership, especially women, is something that I am very, very passionate about. I think
Yes, soft.
think a goal which has not appropriate system is not going to work out, and a system which has no goal is also not going to work out. Like everybody said, जो भी गोल है उसके अनुसार ही आपका सिस्टम होना चाहिए, या जो सिस्टम है उसके अनुसार ही आपके गोल होने चाहिए। दोनों अगर मैच नहीं कर रहे हैं तो कितने भी हाई गोल्स हैं, लेकिन अगर सिस्टम मैच नहीं कर रहा है तो सॉरी, अगेन वी हैव टू रीस्टार्ट।
So I love the thoughts, and I would want to wrap up with one single thought that I give one piece of advice to everybody who comes to me is कि life में ना failures को enjoy करना सीखो. Right? That's my first sentence to everybody. Business is a lifestyle. Business is a way of life. Business is a way of living. And मुझे क्या बोलता है work-life balance, मैं बोलता हूँ there is no work-life balance. Work is a part of life. So आप ये समझो कि work अगर part of life नहीं है ना तो आपकी life ही बेकार है. So make business, make your profession, make everything your life and value your life and enjoy those failures, because जब तक failures नहीं होंगे तब तक success की कोई value नहीं होती. तो अगर आप successful बनना चाहते हो, जो जितना ज़्यादा failure देखता है वो उतना ज़्यादा successful होता है. I wish you a lot of failures to become super successful in life, and that's exactly how we wrap it up. Thank you so much.
Nicely put it up. Concluded the session nicely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Parikshit. Thank you so much.
That was really an insightful session. Thank you so much. And with this, may I request Ms. Sonika Negi to please join me on the stage and present the hampers to our moderator, to our speakers. This is a great opportunity to actually thank our very enabled moderator and speaker, Mr. Paresh, and our panelists on the stage. Thank you so much. Big round of applause, everyone. And with this, we would once again like to thank all our panelists, our moderator for conducting this session. Thank you very much. All right, let's move ahead, and it's now time to have the live pitching session.